Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to share with you how you can turn on downloading my work is not allowed on Snack Video. So if you think that your video will not be downloaded by someone, then you can easily control it over your app. So how you can do this, just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the Snack Video apps. Click on this, and after that we need to go here. You can see the option right bottom corner. Click on this, and after that we have to go here. You can see the option, this one, something circular, and after that we need to go privacy settings. Here you can see the option privacy settings. Click on this, and here you can see the option downloading my work is not allowed, this one. Okay, so other will not be able to share your video by downloading it. Okay, so if you turn it on, then no one can able to download your video. Okay, so it will help you a lot if you don't want to release your video except this platform. Okay friend, this video was helpful for you I hope, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.